Alhamdulillah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to fix the internet or Google Chrome problem showing your connection is not private. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also shout out for our new subscriber this month of June and July 2023. Thank you very much for being with us. Namely, Rafael Akfan, Lulu Layar, Kerry Bagyo, Barat Chatri. Now, click the three dots on the upper right side portion. Click History, then click History again, then click Clear Browsing Data. Then check these three, then click Clear Data. Now close Google Chrome. So the next action, right click Network, click Properties, then click Change Adapter Settings, then click Ethernet or Wi-Fi Adapter, then right click Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then click Properties, then select and click Internet Protocol version 4, then select use the following DNS server addresses, then type the default Google server DNS server 8888 and alternate DNS server 8844. Then click OK. Now restart your PC. Now after restarting, let's check and open Google Chrome. Now, Alhamdulillah, 100% fixed successfully. So, thank you for watching. And once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.